Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening the Nandemobox for the month of June. I believe this is the Kawaii Box, and this is my first time trying Nandemo subscription box, so looks promising already. I love that it actually comes from Japan. That's the Japan Post logo, and that's the customs declaration form. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Now, I believe this was shipped on the 26th of May. They shipped the June boxes on the 26th of May, and I received it yesterday, 7th of June. I mean, it's not too bad a wait. It's, free shipping, and I do live in Australia, so I'm used to things taking a while to get here. Yay! I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, oh, that looks cute. It says thank you, and it's some cute character with tentacles. Oops. It's nicely packaged. Oh, I don't know if I want to break this one. I'm gonna try and be careful. Alright, sweet. Yay, so it says Nandemobox, the June box. I'm guessing that's the stuff that's in there. Oh, here's my name. That's cute. And then at the back it tells you what you got. I'll quickly put that away for now. Put that to the side. Okay, so first up, I believe these are Sumiko Garashi characters. They're by San Exu. Oh, let's open at the top. Yeah, so they're clear stickers. Oh, how cute. Look at the tempura prawn and I think that's the pork tonkatsu. Oh, that's so cute. I love stickers. I put them on my Kiki K diary. And next we have, oh, it's a Rilakuma stamp set. This is also a San Exu character. Oh, that's cute. I mean, I'm not as crazy about Rilakuma, but I do admit that this is cute. Look at the one with the glasses. So I'm going to use this one. And I am going to try it on this. Yay. Yep, I'm happy with that. Can definitely use it for my diary as well. Next. Ooh. This is also a Sumiko Garashi product. Yay! Oh, that's so cute. I mean, I don't need a pencil case at the moment, so I might give this to my younger cousin. I don't know, or I might keep it because that is so cute. Look at that one. That's my favorite character, I think. I love that it's got the tag, so I think that's authentic. One sec. Right. Yep, it's just your regular pencil case. I'm not gonna take it out because just in case I give it away to my cousin. And next, oh, I don't know what this character is. like it's also a San X character, and it's just a container. It's pretty cute. I like cats, so I don't know who it is, but I'm gonna keep it. And then next is another Rilakuma product. Oh, that is really cute. So it's Rilakuma dressed as, is it an otter? I think it's an otter. Yes, it says otters. So I believe those are rubbers or erasers, whatever you guys call them. We call them rubbers. I love that it looks like they're eating, because I love eating, I love food. And looks like they're memo pads. Yeah, they are. I'm not sure if I want to open this. I'll open it so you guys know what kind of memo pads they are. It's alright. I think I'm going to keep this for myself anyway, so I'm going to open it. Yeah, so they just look like that. Oh, that's really cute. So yeah, really happy so far. Don't know how to put it back now. And I think this is the second to the last item. It's also a Sumiko Gurashi notepad, I think. Yep. It's pretty adorable. I love dinosaurs. There's two designs. That's the other design. Look, they're dressed up as dinosaurs. So yeah, everything looks authentic, which is awesome. Last one is a letter set. Also Sumiko Gurashi. These are new characters for me, but I love them already. They're all adorable. So these are the envelopes you get. And these are the notepads. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that one. Sorry, this is really my favorite character, the prawn. Tempura prawn. And that's another design. They're the ones dressed as dinosaurs. What are they doing? And they're all in the hammock over here, snoozing. I wish I was snoozing right now. Oh, what's this one? Oops, it came off. And last one. Oh, these are just the envelopes, I think. Yeah, so they're all just these ones. Awesome. Really happy with everything in this box. I think I'm gonna keep subscribing to Nandemobox for a couple of months until I get sick of them. Hopefully never. Now I can show you guys what was in the card. Oh, so there is an important announcement here. Looked like they were struggling with the suppliers, and they're saying, so they put the explanation there, and they say, we hope this doesn't lower your opinion of us. Yeah, no, it didn't. I mean, this is my first box and I'm happy with it. Alright, so this was what was inside my Nandemobox for the month of June. It's the Kawaii Box. So I'm just recapping what I got and really happy. So till next time, guys. Bye.